Okay, I mean no disrespect when I say this, but we all know Jamaicans are not in the curry discussion, okay? Y'all can have oxtail, y'all can have jerk chicken. Y'all have the worst curry. Guyanese and Trini got the best curry. Only they can have this argument. I don't care what a Jamaican got to say about curry, because y'all don't know. Y'all don't know. Don't get me wrong. Y'all can cook. But the curry discussion, y'all cannot have that. Come on.
A few moments later.
All right. Today, we're going to finish the debate of which country has the best curry chicken. As you guys can see, we have it in order, which is Guyana, curry chicken with roti, Trinidad with a dal puri, and aloo curry, Jamaica with a festival curry chicken. And we're going to see which one of these is the best. Guyana number 1. Let's give it a taste test. Oh, jeez. Take it easy. As expected. Just look at that. It's just nice, rich, creamy, not too spicy. Everything just go with the flow. When they make it, it's like just mix the curry with something else. I can't really taste it, but it just mixed with something else that just makes it better. The roti is nice, round, soft. It's not hard. It's not too chewy. I don't know. All right, I'm Trinidad. Aloo curry with the dal puri. Let's give it a try. As expected, a bit spicy. The dal puri is a little hard. This one is a little watery. The last video I made, I said Jamaica was over Trinidad. So today we'll give it a try. Well, I gotta take another bite. I'm not too sure. It's kind of given even a little bit, but I have to taste another bite to see. Whoa, that is good. Trini can't come close to Jamaica with his curry, Ahmad. Thank you. It's just another day. See, that's just another day. Oh.